I know you've been down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken.
Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching this video. I know you still can hear the echo in the background. It's because the beauty room has not been actually filled with stuff, so there's still echo going in the room, so I hope you guys don't mind. But literally this is the first makeup tutorial that I have done in my new home, and it's actually a very long overdue video, you can say, guys. This video was actually supposed to be up like probably a week or 2 weeks ago. So yeah, so this is the Morphe 35M Boss Mode Artistry palette. So if you guys have not checked out me actually using this palette, I've actually used this palette once before and actually created a very beautiful purplish orangey look, which I've incorporated the same orange in this look. I don't know, this orange is just super versatile, which is called Bright Eye. So I decided to actually give you a full-blown green smoky eye. And yes, my eyes are actually starting to become red. It's because my lighting setup, my new room is, I'm not actually getting used to it right now. It's because this is the first time I'm filming. I think I'm rambling too much because this is the first video in my new home. Sabrina, get to it. So without any further ado, let's get right into this video right now.
Alright, just concealing my eyelids with the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer in the shade M29 just to conceal my eyes, and then picking up the very first shade from the 35M Boss Mood palette, which is called Express Yourself. I'm just gonna apply that sloppily all over my crease area. So this is basically my transition shade. Then picking up the next shade is called Green with Envy. I'm just gonna use that shade to actually define my crease just a little bit, just to darken it up a little bit. And then going in with the shade called Stroke of Luck, just to blend both shades together so it has a very nice blended effect. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my crease and just define my crease area so I can create a beautiful halo effect. And then picking up that shade which is called Popstar, and I'm just going to put that shade in the inner corner and the outer corner of my eyelids because we are creating a halo effect, and I just want to use as much greens as I can in this video to show you guys how individual shades looks like. And then going in with the Black Magic just to define and just make it a little bit more smoky and just to blend out the edges so that it wouldn't be too harsh. And the next shade I'm picking up is called Bright Eyes, and this is the shade that I was telling you guys about that is super versatile. I love this shade a lot. This shade just basically blends with all colors, I guess. So what I'm doing is I'm blending this shade together with Popstar so it just blends in perfectly, as you can see. And then I'm picking up the shade called Light of Day, and this is like a pearly white pearl highlighter, and just popping that in the center of the lid, just giving it a little bit of that glossy effect, guys, as you can see. I really love it. I really love the way how the eye look turned out. And then for eyeliner, I'll be going in with the Essence Liquid Ink Eyeliner and just doing my eyeliner. And as you can see, perfect shot, and then all of a sudden, guys, I'll just go missing. And then for lashes, I'll be going in with the Ardell Wispies Demi Wispies Black Lashes. So now we're gonna go ahead and smoke out our lower lash line. So the first shade I'm picking up is called Green with Envy, just smoking that out in my lower lash line. And the next shade I'm picking up is called Stroke of Luck, and using that to blend out in my lower lash line just to lighten it up a little bit so that it won't be too dark. And then for my waterline, I'll be going in with the Essence Long-Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade I Have Green. When I apply this in my lower waterline, it just looks absolutely amazing, guys. So moving on to bronzer, I'll be using the Hoola bronzer from Benefit and just bronzing out my cheekbones, my forehead, my jawline, and of course my nose. For blush, I'll be going in with the Tarte Amazonian Clear 12-Hour Blush in the shade Paaaaarty and just doing my blush, guys, as usual. For highlighter, I'll be going in with the Jaclyn Hill highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop, and of course highlighting all the high points of my face. For lashes, I'll be going in with Loreal Voluminous Lash Paradise and just applying it to my upper and my lower lash line. For lips, I'll be picking up the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade called Spice Girl. I absolutely love this liquid lipstick, my favorite go-to nude right now. And then to just give the lipstick, a little bit of pop. I'm going in with the Huda Beauty lip gloss in the shade Angelic and just applying in the center of my lip. And then to set my entire face, I'll be going in with the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Glow Water and just spraying my face to set it. Love this stuff so much.
So yeah guys, we are done. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think. And if you guys want to follow me in my social medias, you can follow me in Instagram and in Twitter. I am more active in Instagram because I put up stories, I put up short videos in Instagram like skincare, makeup tutorials, so you guys can follow me in Instagram much more. I'm more active there, so follow me there. I love you guys so much and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.